Hello, it is Scrawlrbox time. It's arrived really early again. I swear I only got the email like this morning or yesterday saying it was being dispatched, so that's arrived really quickly. I'm very sorry I haven't done the challenges for the last 2 months. I've just feel like I've been really busy doing various things, work, getting ready for Christmas and family stuff, and just been a bit burnt out, to be completely honest. So I may do them at some point, I may not, but I will certainly endeavour to do the challenge for this box, which feels pretty chunky. Let's get stuck in, shall we? With the wonderful pool towel. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, right, I've just ripped that, but I'm going to pop it there and hide it. We've got the zine. Ooh, what is this? Is this oil pastels? Ooh. That's the art print by Derek, is it? Yeah, Derek Overfield. There's the socials. That is quite cool. Yeah, I think it looks a bit oil pastel-y, but I'm not 100% sure. As long as it's not soft pastels, because sensory overload. Oh, this is a bit different. Blue paper pad. It's very smooth. What's it? 10 sheets, 240 GSM. So that's quite thick. It's thicker than some of the watercolour paper we've had recently. So yeah, it's thicker than what we've been given to wet mediums. So I guess now put those to one side, put the box one side, and let's get stuck into this little parcel of goodies. What's the sweet we've got? Something by Swizzles, boiled sweet. Is it maybe a minty thing, or we'll find out. Oh dear. This is going to be another. Yeah, this is going to be a sensory issue for me again, and a mess issue. Tinted charcoal blocks. It's even given me. It's completely destroyed in the box. Yeah. Look at that. Ugh. I think they did say when we got the soft pastels they were going to be more aware of this kind of stuff. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit disappointed to get something that I'm going to really struggle to use, and to have it turned up broken like that. Oh, giving me real issues. There's a sticker. Oh, I am struggling with how messy and gross I'm getting. Sorry, don't mean to be grumbly. I should. These are at least a bit neater. Oh, there's just powder everywhere. Oh, I can't. It's under the paper or something. I can't even. Just clean this desk. Maybe we should have a little flick through the zine before we swatch. Compact pigment, packs a punch compared to regular charcoal. Sweet treat, hard boiled sweets, refreshing mint flavour. That was a blue tone paper. Blue shade really brings out the grey tones. Scrawl. 10 pages to play with. Oh, can't even read now. I'm proper flustered. 2 gorgeous earthy tones for adding a subtle pop of colour. That's the artist. Picture sit down with the artist. Tips for, yeah, mine don't look like that, do they? You get a soft powder, water it down. These blocks are water soluble, so I assume that's just these ones. So I could at least maybe try and do that with it. Yeah, I can't get anything that rich because it's just, I find it physically uncomfortable to use these sorts of mediums. More tips behind the artwork, getting started. Yeah, it's also for charcoal, you might want a more textured paper so it's got something to grip to as well, but we'll see when I do the swatching for that. Oh, this is the Scrawler challenge. Haven't done this one. Any names I recognise? Oh, Carmel, yay, go Carmel. Don't think I recognise any of them. I saw this frog though, I love that. Some really nice pieces. So yeah, giving it all the, I'll definitely do the challenge this month. We're going to have to see. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Get that with those 3 pens is really impressive. Top 3 M Arts. Don't think I recognise any of those names either, but what wonderful takes on the prompt. Staff Stash. Oh, cat. Derek's Stash. Abandoned artwork. And the prompt for this month is unfinished business. So quite an interesting prompt. Yes, right, let's give these things a bit of a swatch. You have to just probably not going to do a thorough swatching like I might normally because I'm finding this really unpleasant. And so far the first 3 look exactly the same on this blue paper. Oh geez, that one looks a bit different. Oh, that one doesn't even want to. Okay. Nice. Oh, geez. Yeah, I'm really going to struggle to use these long enough to make a piece of art, to be completely honest. They're incredibly soft. It's not really gripping to the paper all that well. That's a nice colour. Bear with me one moment. I'll get some water so I can try them with water. There we go, got a bit of water. I'm just going to grab some straight off the block. I assume that's the best way to do it. Oh, not that water soluble. Off, try the other one. That seems to work a bit better, the lighter colour. It might just be the paper. I'll on that before I spill it everywhere. We've got some sort of loose powder from these ones that are broken. Yeah. And look at the state of my hands. Barely done anything. And all that on the desk. Just from a couple of swatches. There are going to be people that love this box, but it is absolutely not for me at all. The sensory issues are going to make this very difficult for me to use. Can probably make use of these bigger blocks, the water soluble aspect of them, because that looks quite nice actually now they're dry. That's very nice. And these were really nice as well, that they have got a nice range of tones, but I just struggle to use them. So yeah, that's what we've got. I'd love to know what everyone else thinks. If you've got the box and tried these, like, please let me know in the comments, or if you struggle with the sort of sensory stuff using them. Yeah, it'd be really good to know what everyone else thinks. Yeah, that's all I've got for today, I think. Hopefully I'll be back soon with something a bit more involved. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you get on better with this box than I think I'm going to. Can't like them all. I've been getting Scrawlrbox for a lot of years now, good few years, maybe 4, yeah, about 4 years I think. So there's bound to be a couple of boxes that aren't quite my cup of tea, so that's fine. But there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.